Good morning, everybody. A beautiful October Saturday, 14th annual Scarecrow Cruise and Car Show. This is DJ Dave, your motor mouth of the South at about 10:39 a.m. I am definitely tuned up and running on all 8 cylinders, baby. Your cruising connection for oldies affection. Nowhere on the radio dial, but hopefully making you smile. As we have a beautiful day together, folks. Man, oh man. And listen, I promised you another clue to the mystery history, and here you go. I gave you clue number 1, the band Crosby, Stills, and Nash. I gave you clue number 2, rock, of course, is the Birds. Way to go, Mark.
Cool. All right.
Experimentation. Even old DJ Dave had long hair back then. Yeah, I'm telling you, this is from the heat.
Got a little something for you, Mark.
Wow, 68 El Camino.
$3.96
Whoa,
from the Danbury Mint.
unbelievable.
No longer on display
Awesome.
in Dave Gibson's humble abode,
And it will reside prominently in my collection.
where you can appreciate it.
There you go. Thanks you very much, Dave. All right, thank you.
All right.
Juniper Jewelry Company. Bank First is in there, of course. Rhino Fabrication, Richland Dollar World, of course, UPS. Hit number 3 in the UK. Now they took it over. But after 5 great years here on stage.
day.